cautious day for today in India. So I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, in Nifty, we yesterday witnessed another day of profit booking post lunch session, which ended near 25,100 level zone, which by a slightly weakened for the consecutive bull rally which has been happening since past 3 days. So, the near term support is positioned at the psychological level of 25,000 with overall bias still maintaining as a positive alongside a healthy RSI as well. So the major support lies at around 100 DMA, which comes at around 24,930, 950 level. It is a good major support, and in contrast, the upside levels, if a decisive breach above 25,200 is seen, we can witness the continuation of this positive trends in the upcoming days, and we can witness the index going until 25,500 levels. On the intraday basis, we are expecting the markets to open on a flattish node, and we can still witness a range-bound move throughout the day, with immediate resistance coming at around 25,190 levels. If it closes above that, we can witness it going about 25,280 and 25,340 levels. On the other hand, 25,050 levels would act as strong support levels. If it fails to breach that level, then we can witness 24,990 levels. Coming on to the Bank Nifty side, Bank Nifty didn't see that much profit booking as compared to Nifty. It stayed positive for the fourth consecutive day. The immediate resistance comes at around 56,670 levels on the upside, and if it closes above that, we can see the price rising till 56,900 and 57,140 levels. There is an immediate support at 56,240 levels. If it fails to sustain that level, then we can witness it going till 56,000, which is the psychological and very important support zone. Comes at around 100 DMM. So overall, the positive bias still remains the same, with placing strict stop losses while taking or initiating any trades in Nifty or Bank Nifty. Coming on to the stock specific side, we have selected DOMS, DOMS DOMS. It has given a good bullish positive flat pattern breakout where an ideal entry could be placed at around 2610 levels or 2612 levels, with keeping the stop loss at around 2550, with target levels at around 2760 levels. Another stock is Nykaa. We have seen a good momentum rally in Nykaa, which has witnessed a breakout as well. So we expect to continue this rally. An ideal entry would be at around 262, 260 levels with a stop loss at around 254, 255, and we can place our targets at around 280 levels. That's all from the technical side. Let me forward the call to the derivative front.
Yeah, thank you, Yagnesh. On the derivative front, the rally continued even yesterday. Um, expect further buying to continue. Good base building has happened around 25,000 levels. Expect Nifty to move up towards 25,500 soon. Um, there is the highest open interest amongst calls has now shifted from 25,000 to 25,500 levels. Expecting further additions at 25,500 and 26,000 calls. With this momentum and the data overall, expect further buying to continue. Another very good thing that has happened is yesterday was expiry, weekly expiry, and the PCR has shot down from 1.33, which was the overbought zone, to around the one level. So again, it is at very comfortable levels. Expect further buying to continue. Good support areas 25,000 and 25,100 for the futures. From the stock specific front, as I've been saying, banks continue to witness very good buying, and they should continue their momentum on the upside. Now, yesterday, a lot of short covering action was seen in ICICI Bank and some of the PSU stocks like Union Bank and etc. Expect PSU banks and private banks alike to move up from here, and good buying can continue. Metals have been soft overall, and probably another after another couple of days of consolidation, they can again start to move up. The overall rollovers are very good for these stocks, and they should build in longs going forward. So yeah, look out for the same as well. That's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Thank you, Neerav. Good morning, everyone. There is an update from Dishman Carbogen AMSYS. It has announced that its subsidiary Carbogen AMSYS has formed a strategic partnership with Celonic Group to develop a fully integrated antibody drug conjugate, that is ADC platform. The collaboration is positioned to meet the rising demand for ADCs, particularly in targeted cancer treatments. And by offering a single coordinated platform, the partnership aims to accelerate innovation and reduce complexity for their partners in the biopharmaceutical industry. So this is positive for Dishman Carbogen. Dabur India has announced business update for the quarter two. The consolidated revenue is expected to register mid-single digit growth, and operating profit will grow in line with revenue. It has sustained its market share gains in 90% plus of portfolio. Company's oral care and healthcare has delivered strong growth of double digit, and beverages category has seen pain due to the higher than expected rainfall in July and August. International business to post mid-single digit growth in CC terms, where Nepal's business was impacted due to political unrest. On the GST front, the company's 85% of portfolio is now at GST rate of 5%, and the benefit will be passed on to the consumers. So overall, this is neutral for Dabur India. Titan also posted the business update for quarter two. The company's consumer business grew by around 20%, where domestic business grew by 18%. The jewelry, watches, eye care, and emerging businesses continue to do well, while wearables category declined by around 23% on a YY basis. Company's international business grew by around 86%, and continued its more than two times of growth in Tanishq US market, and strong double-digit growth in the GCC market. So this is positive for Titan company. Godrej Consumer has also announced business update. On a consolidated level, it expects mid-single digit sales growth and EBITDA likely to decline for the quarter. On a standalone basis, it expects mid-single digit revenue growth, backed by low single digit underlying volume growth. Company's home care has seen a decent growth with high single digit value growth. The personal care has seen challenges mainly due to soaps category, and Indonesia continues to witness competitive pricing activity. On the GST front, 1/3 of GCPL's portfolio is benefits from the reduced rate of GST to 5% from 18% earlier. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So tomorrow Q2 results will begin with TCS reporting its numbers. So Street is expecting Q on Q growth of around 0.5% to 1% kind of CC revenue growth. EBIT margins are also expected to grow marginally by 10 to 20 beeps to 24.6%, despite a 1 month wage hike given by the company. So Street will be closely looking for future commentary and also a new order booking position. So if you see the high stocks per se have remained under pressure, and they have been consolidating mainly on the back of several news flows coming in from US. So any signs of demand revival or positive commentary would see buying in the stocks. However, one should remain cautious and take informed decision once the results are out. Thank you.
Yeah, Tata Motors JLR number has come and which has shown declining trend. Mainly got impacted because of the cyber attack on their one of the plant and also because of the US tariff issues. JLR sales came in at the whole retail retail sales came in at 85,495, which is down 17% year on year and down 9% quarter on quarter. And even the wholesale was also down by 24% year on year and 24% quarter on quarter at 66,165. Now the plant is getting restarted. Yes, company yesterday also said that few of the facility has already saying uh, is starting from today. So, and over a period, it will gradually get started. So this problem of cyber attack can be resolved, but tariff related issue will continue with the Tata Motor, wherein US has imposed tariff on the import of the passenger vehicle. So that's all from us. And I request over the team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, prices in gold and silver have opened gap up. One should wait for a dip in gold around 1,21,500 to 300 levels, and buy with a stop loss of 1,21,000. On upside, we are eyeing for 1,22,000, 1,22,500. In silver, similarly, buying on dips around 1,46,500 is recommended with a stop loss of 1,45,000. On upside again, expected to test 1,48,500, 1,50,000 if price is sustained above 148. Else, yesterday we had witnessed some profit booking, and though prices have opened gap up, a cautious sign should be maintained if prices are sustaining below 1,45,000. And in copper, prices are expected to trade positive as long as holding 990 levels. So buying on dips around 992 with a stop loss of 987 is recommended. In zinc too, buying around 295 is recommended with a stop loss of 293. On upside, expected to test 300. And in crude oil too, buying momentum should continue. Some pullback is expected, so it can test the resistance area at 5,600, 5,650. Buying around 55.20 with a stop loss of 54.50 is recommended. And in natural gas too, positive momentum should continue if prices are sustaining about 310. Else, wait for a correction till 305 and enter along with a stop loss of 295. On upside, we are eyeing for 320.25. So buying on dips is recommended in NG. And that's it from us. Thank you very much.